we've made our way down to iDrive using the iTrolley. iRide trolley.
Yeah.
Jump on, just search on the internet for that and you'll find out. It tells you where they are, how long it'll be before the next one, from the stop that you're at.
It's $2 a ride or 25 cents if you're OAP. But actually, he didn't charge us anything. We got on, he said you're okay, just get on. So we did.
Tonight we are at Kobé Japanese Steak House. We have been here before on our last trip,
And we loved it.
so we've come back again.
We have. We came for my dad's birthday actually.
Yeah.
And it's like show cooking, Japanese show cooking.
Hibachi, I think is what they
It
call it.
smells really good, really good.
While we were here waiting for the kids to turn up, we've ordered ourselves a Kobé Ichiban Japanese rice lager. I have no idea if it's going to be any good or not. These have kicked in at about $11 each. Anyway, we've been here for food and we loved it, so we've come back. So this is Japanese show cooking, basically. We're going to have a look through the menu. I think it's always about birthdays when we come somewhere special. And I think the last time we were here was for Bob's birthday, and this time it's for Jessica's birthday. Now, you may or may not have seen, I've got a t-shirt that says "No money, no honey." The reason I got that in Thailand was because when we were here last time, the guy kept saying "no money, no honey." The video for that is in the description if you want to go and have a look. Thank you. Hot towel. Bloody hell, it's hot.
You use this water hand, okay? No marshmallow.
Yeah, it's not marshmallow yet.
And this is nothing for you. Your service is Kobé Japanese Steak House.
So we get a hot towel. Basically, I think we get a soup, a salad.
We get the soup, you get soup, you get salad, you get rice, you get noodles, and then choose what meat you want.
You'll see this as it happens. Oh, it smells great.
It smells great.
They're cooking on the one next to it. This place is massive.
Glasses on.
There are quite a few of these around Orlando. They go from Tampa all the way down. So obviously it must be a franchise.
It is a franchise. And it's this one that we've been to before, which was excellent. But that was 4 years ago. So let's wait and see.
4,
4
sorry, yeah.
years ago. Let's wait and see how it is tonight.
Wagyu's an option, but it's $99.
The prices have gone up a lot since last time we visited, but everything's gone up in price.
6 ounces is not very much, is it? Don't ask us what that is in regular money because we don't know. We've got what ounce and pounds and ounces are. So, but what we've got, they've got variations of teriyaki chicken, scallops, shrimp, lobster tail, sirloin steak. They do one which is their most popular, which is the Kobé Trio, which is teriyaki chicken.
Sirloin, steak, and shrimp, which is what we're going for.
And if memory serves, we think it seems to come. We seem to think it comes
Everything
with.
comes with a soup, which it looks like water when it comes, but it's so tasty.
It's Japanese onion soup, yeah.
A salad, and then when they cook their meat, you get rice with vegetables and noodles, and then the meat.
Now, I've just seen you can upgrade your rice to a chicken fried rice for an extra $3.
I think the rice that they do, I'm not saying I don't want to pay $3, but I do think the rice that they do is really nice, so I don't think we need to do that.
We're not doing any starters.
Did I say about teppanyaki in Disney?
No.
I thought I was talking about it, but maybe I got interrupted. There is a restaurant very similar to this in Disney in Epcot called Teppanyaki, which is brilliant. And we used to go every year when we came for our Disney holiday because it was Francesca's favourite restaurant. But then we found this restaurant, and
Primarily because the last trip we were staying on our drive,
yeah,
that's how.
and I would say it's way better than Teppanyaki and probably
More
half
food.
the price.
Yeah, more food. And actually,
Yeah.
it's probably a little bit better. To be
Yeah, so if any of you are doing a Disney stay, but you can move to our drive as well, I'd recommend Kobé Japanese Steak House rather than Teppanyaki.
Oh, there's additionals that you can add to any entree. I don't think it's this. I mean, they've got like filet mignon, ribeye, premium A5.
You can add a lobster tail.
No, the wagyu there, 6 ounces, 80, but
Yeah,
the
we're not
wagyu
doing
there, 99.
We're not doing wagyu.
Scallops and salmon. This is the soup, and I believe it's a Japanese onion soup. But I could be wrong.
It is, and it's really nice.
Oh, that's quite nice actually.
It's really nice, yeah.
It's like a mushroom base,
Yeah.
I think.
No. It's just to the eggs out now.
Mickey Mouse.
Japanese Coca-Cola.
Choke. Ouch.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have the rice, the noodles, and the vegetables so far. I've just had one of the carrots, and they're surprisingly softer than you would think. They're not al dente, but they are softer, and they're very tasty. But I'm waiting for the rest of it before I try it all together. So here we've got some chicken. So you've got chicken, scallops, and from here I think it's prawns. And then now it's putting on the steak. Now it looks like he sliced a bit of butter off screen, dipped the butter in garlic, which is what now he's added to the prawns. Because I've just got a massive hit of garlic and it smells phenomenal. So we have the rice, the beef, the noodles, the vegetables, and the prawns. Next up, chicken. Is it good?
Yeah, really good.
Which bit have you just tried?
I've tried the steak and the prawns, they're both good, but I'm not going to eat it all.
I hope this video's giving you guys an idea on what's involved in this. They smell good, Cheska. So again, more butter's gone in. I think that might be dark soy, but it could have been oyster. What do I know?
This is a lot of food though.
I'll show you what the plate looks like shortly. Thank you.
Oh.
Shall I show you what it's like? This is the plate. I've had a couple of forks full of rice, but this gives you an idea. This smells great. Egg fried rice, noodles, vegetables, steak, teriyaki chicken. That's what was added. I forgot about that. Prawns, and it goes back around to the noodles and the vegetables. Never mind what it smells like. That's one of the prawns.
It's nice dipped in the sauce, except I've spilled it all down my front.
That's the teriyaki chicken. And finally, I'm going to try some of the steak. There we go. For the record, I've enjoyed that.
So have I. It was very, very tasty.
I think all the kids have enjoyed it, and Bob as well.
They've really enjoyed it. I think I left half of mine and Berto's eaten it.
No, he's still got some left. He's not managed to eat all of it.
I passed my plate over to Berto because I'd had enough, and then the guy said to me, "Oh, you've eaten really well," because I've got Berto's empty plates.
Bob left some. I ate all mine.
The stuff that Bob's left, Francesca's taking home now. The good thing about our rooms at Rosen Inn is that they have a microwave. So Francesca has just decided what she's having for lunch tomorrow.
But not the vegetables.
And it's left over Kobé Japanese Steak House.
Actually,
She's got
here
a
you
plate
go.
full.
Look at
That's
this.
it.
I'll share it.
She's saying she's going to share it. I don't believe it. She doesn't share. Francesca does not share food.
Francesca's face when he's to the box of the takeaway, she's like, okay.
So
Here's a message from Francesca.
The bill for three of us has come up to $139.50. With a 18% tax, $175.30 between three of us.
All right.
Please.
Sorry about that.
We don't know what happened. Bob had one of these, and we don't know what happened to it. It was in the drawer for ages. Thoroughly enjoyed that. Be careful though, we tried paying in cash, said they got no change, the cashier, had gone for the night. I'm sure she was there when we left. So we paid by card. The bill included an 18% tip. The guy then said, oh, there's an extra tip for me if you like, it's not obligatory. So if you're not paying attention and you don't realise the tip's included, there was another 7% tip he wanted to add on top on the card payment. Just be careful of that one. Food was great, but that seems a little bit underhand to me.